Hey everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Brit here on YouTube, and today I am here with HomeGlow and I am going to be sharing 6 speed cleaning tips to help you tidy up faster. We all have those days where we need to get our home cleaned up really fast, whether that is for an unexpected guest or we just really need a quick refresh in our home. Today I'm sharing 6 speed cleaning tips that will help you tidy up faster and more efficiently. These tips are all about working smarter and not harder. So let's dive in. Starting off with tip number 1, and this is to have a catch-all basket. For this tip, you can either have a catch-all basket in every room in a corner, or when you are ready to get some cleaning done, grab the basket and move through each room in your home. Toss all of the misplaced items into the basket, and then once you are done going through each room, then you can quickly put everything in its place. This will help you be more efficient in cleaning and putting things away so that you are not running back and forth constantly. This leads me into tip number 2, which is work left to right. When cleaning a room, start with a routine by working front to back or left to right. Focus on completing one area at a time. Start by tidying up that space and putting away loose items. Then you can move on to wiping and cleaning the surface areas. This tip prevents distractions and ensures that every area of the room gets attention. 3 is setting a timer. Start by setting a timer. I like to shoot for 15 or 20 minutes at a time. This helps me stay focused and work efficiently on a specific area. It's amazing what you can accomplish when you are racing against the clock. For tip number 4, I highly recommend having a cleaning caddy. Keep a cleaning caddy always stocked with your favorite cleaning essentials. Some of my favorites are paper towels, microfiber rags, glass cleaner, a duster, wood cleaner, room spray, sponges, and a multi-surface cleaner. You will carry your cleaning caddy with you from room to room, so there is no need to go searching for any supplies. Everything you need right at your fingertips. Tip number 5 is multifunctional tools for faster cleaning. Invest in multifunctional cleaning tools when you can to save time and effort. I use a 2-in-1 electric mop and vacuum to handle all of my hard floors in one shot. This handy tool vacuums and mops at the same time, cutting my cleaning time in half. Last but not least, tip number 6, and this is to use a squeegee on your glass shower doors. Immediately after showering, use a squeegee on your glass doors. This will help prevent water spots and soap scum. It's a quick habit that keeps your shower cleaner for longer. A few seconds now saves a bunch of time scrubbing later. Pressed for time? Let Home Aglow handle the dirty work. Book a top-rated, affordable cleaner in your area within minutes. I hope that these tips help make your cleaning routine a bit easier and your home a lot tidier. If you enjoyed today's video and would like more tips like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you again soon. Bye.